In order to set up VPN access, your first step is to get Forticlient onto your laptop. You can go up to your office if you're going already, or sit outside of a building to get on district network. When you open and log in, you'll go to Bob. You're going to search for Forticlient. It looks like a little shield. Go ahead and click on it and install. Once installed, you'll see Forticlient and remove Forticlient. Of course, you're going to want to log into Forticlient. Now that this is on your laptop, when the Sharewell ticket is put in, you're going to put in your Sharewell ticket, and you're going to let MIS know that you are requesting VPN access. You're going to give your employee ID number and the host name of your computer. So here's my host name of my laptop. I do see it displayed here. At times, that's not always the case. I sometimes have to go into my PC and look at properties. Up here, I'm looking at the properties. And here's my computer name. That's the host name. I'm going to put that in the Sharewell ticket with my employee number and then a contact number if needed. So also, MIS is working all of this week and all of next week, even with the shelter in place. So we will get this done. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me or call the help number at the support desk. Thank you all.